All right, guys, we are here today with a mystery box. This just literally showed up at the warehouse and none of us knows what's inside. The way this box showed up is rather mysterious, but it just sort of appeared into the warehouse out of thin air. It does say teak and skateboard, so I'm assuming it's a skateboard because it's also in skateboard shape. What do you got there, Not the Ryan Jones? Wow. So we've been trying to figure out what video game to play, and we're thinking that, what's it called, Sekiro? Sekiro. Leave it in the comments below if anybody's played Sekiro and if I should start it or if I should not.
You just cut the board in half.
Is it just a cardboard box?
This is a
Strike me confused.
No, this is good. I can just feel the top and I'm telling you this is... Teak skateboard grips are sourced, produced, and manufactured under SFM, Sustainable Forest Management. We can't consume our way to a sustainable world.
It has your name on it.
My name?
Yes.
It gets more and more creepy.
Wow! Oh, wait, that's your pro model.
That is sick.
What?
I don't even want to skate it now.
Hi Aaron, Ryan here from Teak Skateboards. First thing, I love what you're doing with all the skate content and the learn to skate and confidence boosting for beginners. I have a skateboard company on the Gold Coast, Australia.
shout out Gold Coast.
I design and make revolutionary teak wood grips, nature's grip, stunning and sustainable, beautiful to look at, and even nice to ride. The teak is surprisingly soft but super grippy. Barefoot riding on my grips is a new amazing experience, which is why I'm looking to get them onto a surf skate to fit the scene and vibe. Do we have surf skate here?
No, but we have your bare feet.
We definitely have my bare feet. That did not come with that.
It did.
You're kidding me.
That is player.
I've never been more confused about how I should feel about a video.
I know.
You take your brush out, man, and you just, you know, give your board a little bit of love in the morning, you know, right before you go cruise down to the beach.
Wow.
The grip is strong, durable, and waterproof due to teak being a special hard wood with a super tight fiber resistant to splitting and splinters. Can we just get a bunch of slow-mo shots of my toes just pouring water on there?
Nah, but I know you are pretty good at handling hardwood.
I am extremely good at handling hardwood, and you would know. I cut the teak veneer with a laser CNC into awesome patterns and can do all types of custom designs. I decided to do your Phoenix Revive deck as it is such a sick design and works well as a grip. Hope it's okay that I modified it a bit. It's on 28.75 inch, which is the length, and 8.75 old school deck, which I used as a cruiser, but also rips as a little bowl or ramp deck. This is my patented idea. I worked for many years to get the material to work as a functional grip on skateboards. The world's most advanced skateboard grip.
Feels good.
I worked on yachts where I got the idea as an all yacht exterior deck are made from teak to handle weather and foot traffic whilst giving non-slip surface to walk on at sea. Please check out my website and Instagram, teakandskateboards.com. Shout out at Teak and Skateboards. This is my life and passion. Creating my boards is not just a gimmick idea. I really hope you enjoy, mate. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you, Ryan Stewart. Well, Ryan Stewart, we're gonna set this bad boy up and we're gonna barefoot grip
You
this.
see me over here going crazy?
Yeah, you handboard
Kick
it.
flip, crook. On flip out. Kick flip 5 up. Kick flip out.
Who does this guy think he is? So just normal hardware on this?
What do you want to do with it?
Well, I was thinking they might have sent some special hardware, seeing as how they sent this brush. Feel that. Brush it through your hair a little bit.
No way, but this is...
No way.
Let me get a little...
Gabe, 2 bolts or 4 on this?
Nah, I go 4.
Really? Full on, you think?
Yeah.
No, go 3.
Still 1.
Okay. Can you imagine? He spends
That's illegal.
hours and hours of work, and we put 1 bolt on. I'm kind of scared to just... You guys hear that?
No.
Sounds like you're going a little too hard.
All right. Just doing 2 for the love. Gabe, get your fingers up on there.
Get my prints on the board.
Yeah. How's that?
Feels interesting.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, it does feel pretty nice. I don't know how it's gonna grip though.
The whole idea with this video is who can do a barefoot kickflip first.
I'm not getting bare dog.
You don't put your dogs out like that?
No,
Why
not on,
not?
Not
on
for free.
camera. Yeah,
Not
not
for
on
free.
camera.
Gold Coast, baby.
What is this setup?
You're subbing in for Uzi today.
It feels good.
Are the trucks weird or?
It's the trucks. The board's not weird. The trucks are. Coming in hot. Oh,
Wow. And you
No
jump.
pop on that. That's crazy. It feels cool. I like
Can you
it.
try to explain the grip? Like, that's what I'm really trying to get the audience to understand, is how the grip feels compared to a regular skateboard.
How can I explain this? If I can picture it by touching it with my hands. It almost feels like you would be standing on a bed of silk.
A bed of silk.
Nice and soft, but slightly rough sometimes. It's
Nice and soft, but nice and rough sometimes?
I'm tired. That's a no from me, bud.
It's because the door was open.
Ah, it's fine. Aaron's got practice. He can front 50 the rail.
Me?
Yeah.
Think I'm scared?
No, I'm saying you have experience and you could do it. That's poser to you.
I don't like that I can't like pop the nose.
That sounded like pop to me.
I don't know why I didn't land that one. Okay, I'm gonna take. Hey, wow. Take a breather.
Let me get a nollie heel on the A-frame.
Should I try kickflip front board?
No, that's
Front
a
lip.
breaker.
Front lip.
No, no front lip.
Let's try back tail.
Hit the hip.
It is kind of scary to commit to because I don't know if I'm gonna slide out and smack my chest. So.
Is that it?
I mean, you were in there, yeah. What does the grip feel like to you?
It's sketchy.
Is like the grip good though? Is
No,
it?
not at all. No, I'm joking.
That's what you get.
Why?
One of these days you're just gonna go down hard.
Why? I'm getting good angles.
I did back tail shove. Should I do front board or backboard?
Both.
It's very misleading. Feels like it's gripping, but it's not, but it actually is. Should I try front board?
Yep.
Maybe that is the next episode of the Aaron is really scared video we should do is front board the rail.
Glow, you gonna be here tomorrow? No nose crook.
I love when it's like, how's the grip? It sucks. I'm just about to do every trick with the board.
Yeah, the real test is trade double flip.
I don't know if I can even trade with it.
Ew. No!
Try to get the line.
So when he did the crook, I did see something fly off.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
then
that
I
was
found
it?
this piece on the ground. It's like a little shard of wood, but I don't think it's even coming off.
Let's get a
there.
damage report here.
Coming from? No, I don't think so. But he landed upside down on the. Oh, there's a little indentation right there, but other than that, nothing.
Yeah,
Damage
more
report,
damage
good.
would be done to the regular grip tape than this.
Yeah, true. Superior to regular grip tape.
Let's do 3 stair, 5 stair, 3 block.
Who's doing the 3 block?
You do 3 stair, you and 5 stair.
How did you do that? Oh yeah. Okay, you ready? Double, you ready? First try, every try. We're too far into this now, aren't we?
You 1 try too deep.
I gotta center my zen. I gotta align my chakras. How are my socks, Gabe?
Nice.
Thanks. Ready?
Yep.
I can't do it, it's impossible.
All right, let's give up.
Ah, dang it. Why do we always gotta give up?
You know, you could sit here and try this like 20 tries and risk landing primo and rolling an ankle or maybe even falling. Or you could literally just land it right here.
All right, first I'm just gonna do a try. Damage report. I got glow on the vertical cam. I don't know I had this before. I gotta go that way. Ooh! Okay, now we're gonna double trouble this. Kind of feel like I need to let the dogs out. Ooh, let the dogs out! Ooh, 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 ooh. That was it. Why? Dang. Whoa! You know what I realized? I need a tray reverb. Right here. I had that.
That's gonna be a hard rebate for me.
So you told me to flip harder with my front foot and then my back foot went a little scrimp on it. Shoo!
Wow.
Tray reverb, first tee. This needs a bigger nose.
How many tries will it take Aaron to land this tray flip reverb?
Why do I gotta land like that? Shout out Gold Coast. I think it's good. I think the grip is good. I think it's nice and perfect and it's pristine and all of that and there's 0 damage. You know, I mean, obviously some slide marks are gonna get that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so scary. What's scary is the lack of nose. Let's go!
Who let the dogs out? Oh! Come on! I'm not gonna lie.
Whoa! Huh? Sweat?
How are they gripping?
Ouch!
I was gonna say, kickflip I think is ripping skin.
That hurt. I don't think I can kickflip it, Gabe.
Yeah, kickflip's gonna rip skin. Are you sure? Are you sure?
I shouldn't. I shouldn't.
No, it's gonna rip
It felt like
skin.
it literally ripped my pinky toe off. Look at that. See that? That's not normally like that. We gotta get some beach cruising though. Just for the love, you know what I'm saying? You really get to see the importance of shoes. Shoes are important. Braille skateboarding shoes are available right now at brailleskateboarding.com. See what I did there? Nailed it! Let's go! All right, I got all the tricks I got for it, to be honest. But this thing is completely amazing. I thought this board was so unique and so amazing. I took it home and hung it on my wall. Then I started thinking, I wonder if any of you guys would like this same exact board as well. So I contacted the person who made it and I said, can we get the exact same black bottom, exact same graphic on the top, and we are only going to make 25 of these. I'm gonna leave the window open to purchase for 48 hours only, and then once that 48 hours is over, boom, as many people have got the board, got it, and that is it. So if you want one of these right now, go to brailleskateboarding.com and get your shred on. Huge shout out to Teak and Skateboards for sending us this rad, awesome board. This baby is going on my wall. I cannot believe we didn't break this. That is so good.
Did I do a trick on it?
Yeah.
I was just gonna break it.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Shoo!